Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today we are going to talk about Google Ads for solicitors. As you can see on my screen, you can see a lot of campaigns that are live currently. This is actually an account for solicitors, and we've been doing campaigns for this firm. And what I am trying to show you today is the strategy we kind of applied and what result it brought us. And I want to go over the strategy in short, so you guys could understand what's going on here. So let's talk about this campaign, the general campaign. You can see the budget is 35 euros a day, and the optimization score can be ignored but cannot be ignored at some point, but we're not going to talk about that. What I am trying to show you is it got 444 clicks from July 4 to August 2nd, as you can see, this year, and the number of conversions you can see here is 50. All right, so this general campaign has 444 clicks and 50 conversions, so that's 50 signups in the landing page or the website. So the conversion rate is 11.34, which is not the best, but it's not the worst as well. And you can see the bid strategy. The most important thing I want to discuss today is the bid strategy that we used. That's target CPA. So let's actually click on this campaign so we could look at some more details. So you can see there are 3 ad groups that we created, and per ad group, I mean on a campaign level, the target CPA, which is an optional thing, you could choose not to give a target CPA, but we actually prefer giving it, so Google, the algorithm, can optimize it according to that. So one more important thing, let's say for example the firm ad group has a target CPA of 29.50 euros. Let's talk it like as an individual ad group, and what we want to see is how many clicks did it get, how many conversions did it get, what's the conversion rate. So the conversion rate, as you can see, for this particular ad group is 10.53%, and the average CPC was like we were spending 2.42 euros per click, which is okay, but it never actually gets to this point where it spends like 29.50 euro, which is the target CPA for each conversion, right? So the cost per conversion is 23.03 euros. So it never spent 29.50, so it actually always stay below the radar. So for 29.50, it spent about 23. For the other ad group, which is solicitors, it actually got 11 conversions, maybe 12 conversions based on the attribution model. It got the cost per conversion for this ad group is 20.52 euros, although the target CPA was the same. So we are telling Google that we want to spend 29.50 euros per lead, but what it's doing, it's actually not spending the whole amount, which is the case for like all the ad campaigns we did, because the campaign has been so well optimized, and we will look into that shortly. The lawyer ad group has the same target CPA, but it's spending 11.52, which is crazy amount. So it got 17 conversions within less clicks. That's why the conversion rate is also really great in that, like 16. So we actually consider anything above 15 is considered a good conversion rate. So let's look at the keywords for firm. So if I go to firm, I can see solicitor firm, law firm, insurance law firm, best law firms, law firm near me. So these are the high intent keywords that we went for. We didn't go for like mid or low intent keywords like that have how does a lawyer, how does solicitor firm work, or like these are super low intent keywords. Or like if we take an example of law firm near me, this is a quite high intent keyword, and this could easily have the biggest CPC of all. But most interesting thing about this ad group is the keyword solicitor firm actually got 19 conversions, and the cost per conversion is 21.13, which is great. That's not bad at all. The conversion rate is also good. The law firm also got like 3 conversions, and the cost per conversion is a bit higher for this one. So what we could do is, for this individual keyword, we could go like either change the target CPA and tell Google that no, we don't want to spend this much amount, or just pause this keyword if you think the conversions are not helping. And if you're using a tracking software like we use WHITELABEL to track the keywords and the leads that came for that particular keyword, in that case you could just go ahead and judge the lead quality of this keyword and, you know, take decisions from that. So we go to the second one, which is solicitors. Let's look at the keywords. So this one got actually 86 clicks. Find a solicitor. This is a super high intent keyword, guys. Like if we take into account the mid intent keywords, public law solicitors, I would say it's a mid intent keyword. But if it has like specifications like public law solicitors, this is quite specific, not that vague. I would call this mid to high intent keyword because this has a buying intent in it with it. So barristers, solicitors near me, this has like low search volume because of the target area. So it all depends on the area you're targeting. The search volume kind of gets changed according to that. Local solicitors near me, so this is not getting any conversions or clicks. So it got 5 clicks, which is not great, and it's not definitely not enough to make a decision. And so this is like happening across all of the accounts. So let's say lawyer, solicitor, lawyer, find lawyer, law, and lawyer solicitors. So these are keywords that bring in conversions. That's it, guys. So that's all we are looking for. If a keyword is getting clicks but no conversions, just pause it. If a keyword is getting clicks and conversions but the conversion rate is high, then it depends on you whether or not you want to keep that running or just pause that, kill it. Or if a keyword is doing well, just keep it running, just see what it comes up with. And another thing, like if I go to search terms, let me go back. So let's go to let's go to the campaign level so I can see all the ad groups. Let's go to search terms. So this is where you can get more keywords, right? So let's say Joyce Solicitors Cork. This has not been added, but is this getting conversions? Yes. So it got 1 conversion. I would say it's not enough to make a decision, but if it was like if it within 1 month it got like 50 clicks and then 2 or 3 conversions, then I would definitely take it, you know, something like that. So Solicitors Cork, Joyce Solicitors Cork. So this is what's been happening, guys. So this is the strategy of optimizing campaigns and making decisions based on data. That's all you need to do for 3 months or 4 months or maybe 6 months, and then it goes to saturation, and then it keeps running according to the like, unless there's any anomaly. So yeah, that's what I want to show you with the general campaign. So once again, we got about 50 conversions or 51 conversions from 444 clicks and 35 euros a day budget. And the amount we spent for this campaign was about 935 euros. Okay, that's great. So €1,000 budget, that's fine. Limited by budget, it's always going to show you that if you are on target CPA, so if you're using target CPA instead of maximize clicks or impression share as your bidding model, this is going to show up. That that's not a huge problem. It is a problem, but that's fine. So you could live with it. So yeah, that's all, guys. I will bring some more of these videos to show you how we do campaigns and how we do optimizations, and hopefully this helps. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.